Yes, yes, yes. Let's get started with this super delicious, tender garlic bread. All right. So here I have a large French bread. You could use whichever bread you like. And here I'm having a problem holding it. I didn't realize my hands were that small. All right. But I am making cuts in an angle, as you could see. We're going one side and making sure that it doesn't cut all the way through, all right? You want your bread to stay together, and now I turned it around and I'm doing the same thing, cutting it in an angle, but the opposite way. You see that? And again, I'm having a problem holding the bread. The bread was dancing on me, but listen, it was worth it. When I tell you it was worth it. And guys, if you've been watching my channel and you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me, and please hit that like button. It helps me a lot with YouTube. Okay, it's not easy bringing contents to you, but we are going to continue to do this. So now here I have some garlic. I did like a whole head of garlic. And now I add a little bit of salt, and I'm matching it. And I want it to be like a little paste, just like that. And if you don't have a mortara, go ahead, buy you one, or just, chop up your garlic like you like it. All right. So here I got about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I'm adding my garlic to it. Ooh, Lord, guys, this bread came out so delicious. So delicious. And now I'm adding some parsley to it. You could add some fresh parsley or some dry parsley. There's no right and wrong here. And I continue to just mix it. Oh, man. And now that the gains are back on, whatever, guys, it is so good to make some garlic bread as a snack, or you could do it as a meal. It's up to you, guys. It is up to you. So here, as you can see, I'm going to add some virgin olive oil. Yes, 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 yes. And we are going to mix this bad boy together. Look at that delicious. That is liquid gold right there, guys. Liquid gold. When I tell you. So now I'm going to start stuffing my bread in all those little slits that I made. And guys, have a little bit of patience. I'm telling you, like I always tell you, you give it love, it's going to give it right back to you. I promise you. Okay? So make sure you give each little slit a nice little love in there. And that's another reason why I bought like the big French bread, so it could have a lot of, meaty texture. All right? Because you want it to be nice and tender inside. You'll see toward the end, I'm going to cut up the bread for you, and you'll see how nice and tender it is in the, when I tell you I made this garlic bread with seafood pasta, which that pasta also came out delicious, and I will be posting that recipe on Thursday. I'm posting this one today, which is Tuesday. So look out for that recipe. When I tell you that recipe was the bomb, and you are going to love it. So here I have a mixture of Italian cheeses. Ooh, and I'm going to go ahead and stuff it in there. And like I said, you could eat this like a snack, almost like those what they call those garlic knobs at the pizzerias. But let me tell you something. Have some marinara sauce and eat it as a snack, or eat it with your meal like we did in my household. Oh, man. Everybody was so happy eating this. When I tell you, And especially with that pasta, keep an eye on it on Thursday. It's coming your way. Seafood pasta. And you got that nice sauce and you dip that bread in. Oh, man. So here I am sprinkling a little bit of that Parmesan cheese. Yes. Oof. And a little bit more of that parsley. Again, you could use fresh parsley, okay? It is all preference or what you have. And now I'm going to cover it up with a piece of foil and put it in the oven at 350 degrees. And just until the cheese melted really good. I would say about a good 10 minutes. That's why you cover it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. That is beauty right there. Okay? That is full art right there. But it looks great, but it tastes even better. I promise you, it tastes even better. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this for you so you can see how it looks in the inside. And I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. And don't forget to look out for that seafood pasta recipe on Thursday. And I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy.